Hello, welcome to another video. Walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Ford Escape XLT. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in blue, and under the hood you'll find a 3-liter V6 driving on 16-inch wheels.
Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, roof rails, and running boards that allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Ford Escape and see what else it has to offer.
Helping ourselves in is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. At the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks. Next to the door you do have your different lighting options, and we'll get to these buttons once we hop in. Equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating, and on the bottom you'll find your manual and automatic power adjustable seating buttons and handles. Now let's hop inside. We're going to start this Escape up. On the left side of the steering wheel you have this cluster, and this is just for your cruise control. On the right you have your volume options, and these arrows will just help you navigate through your little entertainment screen right there. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. And before we move on, this info button right here, if we just press that, if we just press the info button, that'll just help us navigate through our little multi-information display located right there. And while we're up here, just to show you that this Ford Escape does have 110,580 kilometers on it. So here you have your standard AM and FM options, of course. You can also connect your phone if we just go ahead and press this phone button right there. You can pair it right up top. Underneath you have your climate control system. It's nice and simple. You got these nice turning dials. You also have this power button to turn it on and off. Of course you have your AC button right below. If we move down, here you have your 12-volt outlet, USB, and an auxiliary. It's a nice little storage space. Behind the shifter you do have your 2 cup holders, and if we just open up the center console you can see there's plenty of space in there. You got a nice little shelf up top as well.
Before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. Behind the 2 front seats you do have these nice little pockets for some extra storage. 2 cup holders in the center. And these seats do fold down. All you got to do is just press this button and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath here, and that liftgate will open nice and easy for you. Plenty of cargo space in the Ford. Like I mentioned, the seats do fold down and that'll provide some extra bit of cargo space. And on the right side and left side we do have some nice storage compartments. So to close up, all we got to do is grab this handle. We got one on both sides. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2012 Ford Escape XLT. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, power adjustable seating, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take over a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.